up, guys? It's your boy Tommy here, VTech. We are here. I'm at Judy's house right now, but I'm actually waiting for Ray to get here. We're about to mount and balance Ray's Ray'sType-S Waffles for his TL. We're inside Junie's messy garage. Junie has his little garage with a balancer and a tire machine. So you already know. Oh, started taking apart the B16 block. Here is the donor block. We're taking the crank from this. And hold on, this is confusing. So wait, that's the blown up block. This is the donor block that we're taking the crank from. And this is the block that we're putting rods and pistons in. So be on the lookout for that. But right now we're just gonna wait until Ray gets here so we could start mounting the wheels.
Ray pulled up in the MDX.
Yo.
What's up, sir? Pulled up in the MDX.
Oh yeah, pulled up in the hoopty. I had a deer with my truck.
Huh?
I had a deer with my truck.
Get the fuck out of here, really?
Yeah,
Like,
I'll show you a picture.
like when?
A week ago. What's up, Junie?
This is a little hole in the wall.
I've never been over here
Garage.
before. I can't believe I've
It's
never
a
been
mess
over
right
here.
now because I just throw mad shit.
Oh, I don't care. Alright guys, Ray pulled up with the wheels. As you can tell, he got the Falken Azenis RT615K Plus. That's what they're called, K Plus? Yep. 615K Plus. So that's the new rubber compound. We really like those tires. They grip nice and they're good for daily driving. They're pretty good in the rain too. Oh, they were real good in the rain. I had them on the Equips.
That was hilarious.
And I never paid for it to be refinished. Because they had to refinish them. They had to refinish two of the wheels because they came back all messed up. And then look at how the beads came out. I was like, yo, you guys aren't getting $1 for these.
They painted over all this shit.
Bead sealer, all old bead sealer. They painted over. This bead's clean. The top one is, but the bottom one was like, no, we're just gonna leave that one alone. You know, but that's how they came back to me. There's chips in it. Alright, you guys are probably wondering why Ray is grinding freshly repaired wheels. Because if you get your wheels repaired by a wheel repair shop, normally they just put the tire back on for you so you don't see what's underneath the tire. But Ray was just getting his wheels restored when he had no tires on them. And they painted over all the corrosion and the bead sealer and everything that's on the bead of the wheel. So right now we're trying to clean that up with a wire wheel, but that paint is so thick on there that we're kind of gonna be here for a while. So I think we're gonna try to get some Scotch disc, because if you look closely,
That's all like debris. They clear coated. They painted and clear coated over it. So
Go and put your tire on. It runs the risk of leaking.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we had to go and picked up some disc.
Perfect. Alright guys, we're at Ray's house, getting ready to put the Ray'sType-S Waffles on his TL, as you can see behind me. I think they're gonna look great. We don't have no center caps yet, but we'll figure something out.
Twenty-four hours later.
'Alright guys, that was Ray's TL. We just put the TL waffles on there. Let me know what you guys think about his wheels. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm getting out of here because it's a nice ass day. I gotta enjoy my car. So see you guys in the next video.